And the Minister of National Security and the Police Commissioner have condemned yesterday's slaying of Constable Hanson. Meanwhile, more details are coming forward about yesterday's incident. Today, Police Commissioner George Coelho and National Security Minister Robert Montague both expressed condolences to the family and colleagues of 36-year-old Constable Leighton Hanson. In condemning the killing, Mr. Montague noted that the incident demonstrates that the police are constantly exposed to high risk and they continue to show great sacrifice in doing their jobs. The police commissioner echoed the minister's statements and urged members of the public to desist from sharing images and videos of the incident on social media. In the meantime, more details are emerging as to what led to yesterday's incident on Constant Spring Road. It's reported that shortly after 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the suspect went to a nearby service station to purchase several items when he got into a dispute with the cashier. Investigators say he left the service station after failing to pay for some of the items. The police were alerted and Constable Hanson and a member of his patrol team responded. Constable Hanson was in the process of arresting the suspect when he began resisting. During a tussle, the suspect took Constable Hanson's service pistol. The policeman fell and the man shot him while he was on the ground. It's reported that the other policeman fled after he was shot at. Two soldiers who were traveling in a private vehicle challenged the man who was shot. Nearly 20 spent shells were recovered from the scene.